The session is not good. The session is not good for me. Like I can talk. What you said, the only thing is
Hello, my lord. 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 Hello?
And not in our network is working now. No, we don't hear my lord. But our like you are on mute. Our speaker is on now, even if we are before the computer because you hear my voice. But you are on, I see is mute. Yeah, mute. That's why I don't hear my Lord. They are asking me, emergency evaluations. So, collect the contact and give them the copy. Now I had to inshallah. Almost 1 hour 30 minutes to do that.
Actually, I have to rise for like yes, because we have to do the, please don't go away. We have to do the ruling. So you just have to wait. It's just one matter of adoption. Please come. We had an issue here.
But
There was something.
good morning, my Lord.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
How can we expand this? I think it should be here. Okay, we had these things appearing here. That was what I wanted to take over. I think it's okay now. Thank you. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my Lord.
Are you ready?
Yes, my Lord.
Which network are we using? Is it the office? Okay, quickly call the case, please.
The National Industrial Court of Nigeria, holding a Sokoto before his Lordship of Justice, RB Hasprof, NICN/SK/08/2019, CSP Ademudem G. Avery, License Police Service Commissioner and Mananola, for adoption of final original based.
Who are the parties?
The claim is not in court, my Lord, and the respondent to are not in court.
I can't hear you.
The parties are not in court, my Lord.
Okay, they're absent.
Yes, my Lord.
How about counsel?
President, my Lord.
Yes, counsel, please, if you are there, announce your appearance, please. I've switched to this network.
Please.
Yes. Yes. Council, announce your appearance if you are there. I think we should use the network for my own network. This one is not reliable because there are so many people using it. See? Come, where is it here? Gosh.
May please, my lord. May please, my lord.
Just a moment.
Okay, my lord.
Back again. Yes, can you announce your appearance, Council?
Yes, my lord. May please, my lord. Aminu Saidu.
Aminu Saidu.
Yes, my lord. Appearing with Ibrahim you Barade.
Appearing with who?
Ibrahim you Barade. Appearing for the claimant, my lord. Appearing for the claimant.
With Ibrahim who? What's the last name?
Ibrahim you Barade.
No. No, Barade.
Ibrahim you Barade.
Okay, you Barade.
Yes, my lord.
For the claimant?
Yes, my lord. Appearing for the claimant, my lord.
Yes, any other legal representation there? Hmm?
No, my lord. Only
Let's
the
confirm
claimant
from the
appeared.
records if they were served.
What places?
Any proof of service? How many defendants? Okay. Okay, I can confirm from the records and they acknowledge that the first and second defendants were served with a hearing notice for today.
As court pleases, most grateful. My lord, the matter adjourned today for adoption of claimant closing address.
All right.
And subject to the
Have you filed? Check the final limiting address. Confirm if that final written address was served on. Yes, closing address. This was served on the defendant. When was this served? Claimant counsel.
My lord.
Yes. When did you serve the defendant with your? When did you file your final written address?
My lord, our final written address was deemed on the 18th of February, 2022, my lord.
2022.
Yes, my lord, 18th of February, 2022.
Okay, so from that February to it was served 6th of July. 6th of July, and they served them with hearing notice. Okay. By 23rd June, yes. (2021). And improper. It's February. Any proof of service, that's what I want to see on this final address. And that's what I want to see.
On the 6th of June, claimant cancel motion, claimant closing address.
On when?
6th of July, 2021.
Yes, Saidu. Counsel for claimant, Saidu. It's offline again. Saidu.
Yes, my lord. I'm here,
Yes,
my lord.
proceed with the adoption. We can confirm from the records that defendants were served with the final written address of claimant and equally the hearing notice for today. And they
Thank
have
you.
not filed any application for extension of time, if at all they intended to file any final written address. So proceed accordingly, please.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, the claimant closing address is dated 19th of June, 2021. And deemed to have been filed on the 18th of February, 2022.
Yes, Council.
Yes, my lord, we adopt the stated claimant closing address.
Yes.
And we hold my lord to all in favor of the license. And grant all the relief stated in the originating summons, my lord. May please, my lord.
Hold on, please. Where is he talking of originating summons when it's complete? Where did you see originating summons, Council? You have a complaint before me, not originating summons.
Thank you, my lord. Most guided, my lord.
Will that be all?
That is all, my lord. We are most grateful.
So hold on, let's get a date for judgment. Can you please quickly check the diary? Confirm a date for me.
All the relief stated in the order.
From today, we are in March. Cannot elapse July to be June. We are in March, so it should be June. So today is 30th. How many judgments do I have for April? Have you made? Yes. How many judgments do we have in April? Okay, what about me? Either me or June. We'll check June. First week June. Yes, Council. You have 7th or 8th day of June.
My lord, 8th is beginning.
8th day of June.
8th, yes. 8th of June is fine. Yes.
So the case is adjourned to 8th day of June 2022 for judgment.
As God please.
Hearing notice is ordered to be issued and served on first and second defendants in the suit.
As God please. Thank you, my lord.
All right. So you can exit, Council. Since we are done with your case, so that we can proceed with the other matters. I think it's free to leave the courtroom over there. Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
You call the next, I'm told the other matters may not be going on, but all the same, since probably council is there. So call
Yes,
the
my lord. The claimant council is involved, and the parties are also involved, but the respondent council is the one who filed application for adjournment.
call the case before you start telling me the. I need to know which of the cases you are referring to because there are two, or it's the same counsel in both matters.
Yes, my lord. NICF SKO 5 2021, Ibrahim Usman versus Nazir Usman Federal Polytechnic and two others.
Yes, who are the parties? Can you just lower that? I don't know what is making noise there. Why do we have that underground noise?
Network.
Who are the parties? Are the parties in court?
Yes, my lord.
So which of the parties in court?
The claimant council.
Ibrahim
Usman.
Who is Ibrahim Usman?
Ibrahim Usman.
Is the one claimant? Yes, about
the
defendant.
claimant council.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord.
Claimant present, defendant?
Yes, claimant present.
How about defendant? Any representation?
No, there is no any representation, my lord.
Yes, counsel, please, I can see you there. Announce your appearance, please.
Thank you, my lord. May it please the court.
Yes.
I'm Munirat O. Yahya. I appear with S.O. Oladejo.
Yes.
And our appearances are for the claimant, and the claimant is in court.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Defendant counsel, please.
He's not in court, my lord.
Okay. That's okay. Munirat.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I'm told that we have a correspondence from the defendant that is presently before the Court of Appeal.
Yes,
and
my
he's
lord.
asked for an adjournment. Where is it?
Yes, my lord. I was also informed this morning.
Okay.
But even though in the ultimate interest of justice,
yes,
would be conceding, but would like to bring it to the attention of your lordship that all the adjournment in this suit has been at the instance of the defendant.
All right.
And then it appears as though they are doing this intentionally, particularly when our client has been suffering since 2021 without salary. It is just for adoption of written addresses. There are other counsel it would have sent to come address, and we are just hearing this morning. We even had to journey down to Sokoto.
Were you just informed this morning?
Yes, I was just informed in court.
So you said you journeyed from where?
I had to come from Kebbi to Sokoto because of his network.
Okay,
because he
all
said
right.
you should always come down here.
Yes, counsel, will that be? You say you are considering any other thing?
No, I would have asked your lordship to invoke Order 45-7 of this honorable court rules. Order 45 Rule 7.
Yes.
That where any party before the court has filed a written address and on the date fixed for adoption of the written address, the party fails or neglects to appear to adopt the written address without any cogent and compelling reason to the satisfaction of the court shall deem the said written addresses as adopted and adjourn for ruling or judgment accordingly. If your lordship is pleased, ma, we are ready to adopt our written addresses.
So do you think the reason given is not cogent?
Rightly guided, my lord.
When did she file? When did they file the?
The claimant filed on
Yes.
14th of March.
If the defendant has written, I think we should just allow. Open it. Let me see the content of the. Yes, just a moment, counsel.
Yes, ma'am.
Agreeing to the early notice of this court and the claimant's counsel that counsel for defendant SM Nayaro personally handling these matters will be indisposed to attend court. Reason being that he is before Court of Appeal Abuja Division on the same date as stated for these cases. The cases are slated for 29 March and 30th March. It suggests that cases were adjourned to fit me or any other convenient dates. I think that fitness too. Yes, counsel, you said you have joint issues already?
Yes, my lord.
Where? Do you have any proof of service there of your written address? Served on, that's the claimant's written address here, which was filed on 14th March.
It was served on them and he has even responded because he also filed his own written address.
When was this filed? Say he has
His was
responded.
filed on the 28th of March, 2022.
Any process there? We have no such process here. Gidado,
Yes,
where
my
is
lord.
the court clerk? Where is the response from the defendant? File 28th March. Okay, you have it there.
Yes, my lord. We even send it.
That's the proof of
I
service.
even send it.
So where is the process here?
They filed 28.
They filed 28th of when? Of March.
I have sent it.
You sent it when?
We sent it last week.
It was filed on 28th. You said you sent it last
You
week.
filed 28th, how many days? So you think it's right? It's just today is 30th.
Yes, my lord.
So that's why it's not in the file.
Yes, my lord.
So we have to take another day. It's not right.
Yes, my lord.
That's why we have it's not, and I can't take that's your application relying on order 45. I will not take that. It can't be applicable here because the process is not even in my file. Is that the process?
No, my lord.
It's not in the file. So you have to find out from them. So we'll give you a short date if we can accommodate them when. Or it has to be after the vacation.
This particular.
Yes, Gidado.
My lord. My lord.
Yes, Hassan.
Yes, my lord. This one is not before the court. We did not send
filed
it
on
out.
the 20th.
Because if I leave the team will not reach you in Abuja from Monday to this day, my lord.
It will reach when?
My lord,
On Monday.
we have to send this to Sokoto from Sokoto to Abuja, my lord.
Okay, it has not been sent.
It has not been sent, my lord. It was only filed on the 28th. So what I usually
That's what I told her, that it was 5/28 just 2 days ago. So we cannot take it. It couldn't have
Yes,
reached
my
it.
lord. We
So-
usually send documents to Abuja on Fridays, my lord.
Okay, all right.
Yes, my lord. So it will be sent to Abuja by Friday, my lord.
All right, thank you.
Yes, my lord.
So Munirat Yahaya.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Okay, you are on the same page. You heard the registrar of the court.
Yes, my lord.
So that process is not before the court. So we'll
Yes,
consider another date.
Very well, my lord.
Yes.
As the court pleases.
Give me the diary. What can we give them a date before we proceed on the Easter?
Thank you very
When do
much.
we have Sokoto matters? 26th. And which other date?
And 19th.
19th of May. We have Sokoto matters for 26th and 19th of May. But 19th, it's so congested for me, so I may have to consider that 26th of May.
As the court pleases.
All right.
They are not sitting in April.
Well, don't try to let me see.
Intentionally finding these things. This.
So will that be applicable also to the second day? Is it the same as the, okay,
Yes,
it's the same
my lord.
council?
Yes, my lord.
Can we take the same date? Okay. So equally, that is for suits SKO for that, Dr. Umar Ahmed.
Yes, my lord.
Waziri Umaru, Federal Polytechnic, Benin, Kebbi, and 3 others.
Yes, my lord.
So we have the same representation of council?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So I'll put that on record, and the same thing is applicable. The same thing as in Ibrahim Usman's case is equally applicable to this case. So we retain the same data of 26th of May.
As the court pleases.
Yes. So that will be for hearing of the applications.
Very well, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Okay. So I think that takes care of everything. So that is all regarding the Sokoto matter. So the cases are adjourned accordingly to 26 May 2022 for hearing of applications.
As
And
the
the order of court is that a hearing notice be served on the defendant's counsel with proof of service kept in the court file. It's the same counsel. So that will be all regarding Sokoto matter for the day, counsel. Right. Okay, so you are free to take your leave now.
God.
Wait, let us minutes.
Yeah.